In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online. Duplicates typically happen when a bank feed import and a manual entry both capture the same expense, or when a vendor bill or payment is entered twice. Cleaning these up keeps your reports accurate and your reconciliations smooth. So let's walk through it clearly and carefully. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. From the left menu, head to Expenses and Pay Bills. This is the best place to scan what's already recorded in your books. Once the list loads, look for the column labeled No. Click that column header to sort. Sorting by reference number or check number places similar items next to each other, making duplicates easy to spot. You can also use the search at the top to narrow by vendor name, amount, or reference number to quickly zero in on suspicious entries. When you think you found a duplicate, click into the transaction to review details like date, payee, amount, and category. If it truly is a duplicate, delete it from here. Before you confirm, make sure you're removing the extra copy and keeping the one that's connected to any attachments, matched payments, or reconciled periods. If you're unsure, pause to compare both entries side by side and keep the version that best ties back to your source documents. Next, move over to Bank Transactions. This is where your bank feed items live before they're added to the books. If the duplicate exists here, you don't want to add it again. You want to remove it from the review queue. Scroll or use the search to find the transaction that mirrors one already in expenses. Click it, then choose Exclude. Excluding tells QuickBooks not to bring that item into your accounting records, preventing a double count without altering your actual bank feed. This is especially helpful when one copy is already posted as an expense or bill and the bank feed version is just a duplicate suggestion. A few quick tips as you go. Always verify dates and amounts, since a same day, same amount charge could be a legitimate separate transaction. If you're matching, keep the version that aligns with cleared bank activity, and if you ever exclude something by mistake, you can reverse that later so you're not locked in. That's it. By sorting and searching in expenses, then excluding duplicates from bank transactions, you'll keep your books clean, accurate, and ready for reconciliation.